day, and we've just had a nice shower here in Brisbane, and this balcony usually doesn't receive rain, but the wind seems to have blown the rain into this space. Usually, I'll get a bit of rain on these plants and maybe in the corner there, but today all my plants are wet, and I don't know, I just really like the look of orchids when they've got some water droplets on them, so I thought I'd just do a little quick show and tell what's happening up here. Don't they just look pretty? That growth's coming up nice and strong. This one hasn't rebloomed for me since I got it a year and a half ago, so hopefully we'll see a bloom on there, but I'm not so sure. Got my Doritos, another little seedling cattleya, which I absolutely love the growth habit of. I love the way these beautiful bifoliate leaves look. A couple other cattleyas. We've got, this is an epidendrum stem fordianum cross called BPL Golden Spice Red Peppers. She's a couple of weeks from blooming yet, so I probably won't see her before I go away. So, over here, my gorgeous oncidiums. Got all the dust off them, which is nice. They're just chugging along. Here's one of those, oh, it's soaked, twinkles with a few little flower spikes there. And we've got another flower spike back there on my Oncidium Sweet Sugar. These gorgeous roots coming along. This is my Wanagara Apple Blossom, which does have a sheath back here. You can see that, it's a sheath inside a sheath inside a sheath, it would seem, but I can't feel a little bulge in there. It's got 3 sheaths though, so maybe that's a sign of blooming. I have never had even a double sheath, let alone a triple sheath, so we'll see what happens. Got Dendrobium Temesar Princess opening up. Let's see if I can get a bloom on this one to show. It's just pointing downwards, but that is a beautiful little flower there when it opens up. City of Twinkle there in all its 13 spiked glory. Cycopsis here. Let's check on this little mystery growth. Here it is there, and yep, still not sure if it's a growth or a flower spike. See, I do think it looks a little bit fatter than the typical growths that I've had in the past, but still waiting. This is my Spectabile, Dendrobium Spectabile, with that new growth coming up there, second growth for the season. It's coming along very well actually. Yeah, we've got some buds forming in here. This is my Cattleya Pink Diamond. Here we've got my beautiful little clustered Cattleya. You can see another little spike there with some buds popping out. Isn't she beautiful? Elsie Chun Fong Smile this is. My little magenta dendrobiums opening up, and the colour on this is so beautiful and spectacular. And we've got Oncidium tiger crow here. Little spike forming there. Oh, I think that's it down here. This cane is still growing. Phalaenopsis type. At a very weird angle, very impractical. And yeah, got some new growths. Look at the roots on that. This guy's only recently been repotted too. Just love the roots on this. Alright guys, well just a quick video to say hello and show you the beautiful rain-soaked plants. So I hope you guys have a great day and happy growing until I see you next time. Bye!